Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fashion video for you. I'm going to be sharing a brand new purchase from Matches Fashion. I picked up a pair of Birkenstock 1774, and these Birkenstocks are in the Milano style. So the Milano is a classic Birkenstock style. However, these are a little elevated as they're part of the Birkenstock 1774 range. 1774 is Birkenstock's venture into the world of luxury fashion. The 1774 range features interpretations of the classic Birkenstock styles. The name of the line, 1774, is inspired by Birkenstock's founding year. 1774 also features designer collaborations with designers such as Rick Owens, Valentino, Parenza Schooler, and more. Because I absolutely love luxury fashion and I am now a Birkenstock enthusiast, I knew I had to get a pair of the 1774 Birkenstocks. So I decided to go with the Birkenstock Milano style. The Milano style features the two straps across the foot, similar to the Arizonas, as well as the back buckle strap. The major difference between the Arizona and the Milano style is the back strap, which makes this a full sandal versus a slide or slip-on sandal. It is safe to say that these are the original dad sandals, as these were released well before Chanel's version or any of the other dad sandal dupes on the market now. As mentioned, the 1774 interpretation of these Birkenstock Milanos are definitely elevated. As you can see, they have an all blacked out look, which you guys know I absolutely adore. If you can tell, even the buckles are all blacked out, so it definitely elevates the look of the original Birkenstocks. I also love how this features a black footbed, which again is distinctive from the original Birkenstock designs. I also feel as though the black footbed definitely contributes to elevating the look of the shoe and giving it that more high fashion, overall sleek look. While Birkenstock is known for using great materials and leathers and has great craftsmanship on their shoes in general, the 1774 collection, however, is even more elevated. As you can tell, the leather on these shoes are completely different than what you would find on a traditional Birkenstock. These sandals are made with a smooth leather, which definitely contributes to that high fashion look. The leather is also very thick and substantial, which contributes to that high fashion luxury feel. Definitely adds a little more weight than a regular Birkenstock. I will say that although these shoes have a very gorgeous finish and look to them, because of the smooth leather, they are very susceptible to scratches. I even got some scratches as I was adjusting my buckle straps. As you can see, these are handmade in Germany. And this is just some features on the sole of the shoe, which is also different from the sole on a regular Birkenstock. These extra details definitely add to that luxe feel on these sandals, which brings me to pricing. So the average price range on a classic Birkenstock is about $125 to about $200. The 1774 Birkenstocks are priced higher. So these range from anywhere from about $300 to up to $500 depending on the collection, the designer collaboration, and the style of shoe. As mentioned, I picked these up from Matches Fashion. I love Matches Fashion because I always get a great deal, and I was able to get these at a discount. If you are interested, I will put a link below to these exact sandals. I will also list some of my other favorite 1774 Birkenstock styles for you to check out. Overall, I'm absolutely loving my 1774 Birkenstocks. They have all of the comfort and benefits of a classic Birkenstock. However, it comes with that high fashion look that I crave. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my review. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, guys.